Here is another Clearbra damage test. Check this out. Tesla Model X, we worked on this a while ago. Clearbra the entire thing. Typical Model X damage on this body line here. This is probably from
the garage. What do they call garage?
The garage.
No, but there's something else. There's something else.
Okay, so anyways, on this typical body line, so this is probably from the garage, right? Opening this door, because the sensors on this thing, they're pretty good, but again, as you can see, they're not the most accurate, so it probably hit something in the garage. But the good thing is there's Clearbra on there, which is what you see here. It has lifted up the Clearbra quite a bit, but what we want to see is how much damage actually went through the Clearbra and onto the paint.
Are you getting this? Because I'm about to go. Get it from the bottom.
Alright, so we have the full Clearbra taken off the door. All we have left right now is the adhesive, so once we wipe that off, we'll see what is really left. Go for it, Dustin.
Thicker than I thought.
I don't see any damage.
Yeah, so
no
I
damage.
didn't see a dent.
Yeah, there's no dent surprisingly either.
Yeah, that should have dented whatever hit it at the top because it's a body line and it's sharp. Probably should have dented it if the Clearbra wasn't on there.
No dent, no paint damage. It looks brand new. So now all we have to do is just put a new film on. We're good to go. So that is pretty freaking cool. So not only do you not have to worry about having to repaint your door panel, which costs a lot more money, and depending on the color, if it's metallic, it's not gonna match perfectly. So you don't have to worry about any of that, and you can be back on the road. So really freaking cool.